In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore version history in a document. This might seem like an intimidating task, but I'm here to break it down and make it as simple and clear as possible for you. So, let's dive right in. Imagine you have a document open. Could be anything you're working on, perhaps an important report, an essay, or even a creative piece. To begin exploring the version history of this document, you're going to want to focus on the top menu of your document editor. Click on File, which opens up a drop-down menu filled with options. From here, navigate to Version History, and then move on to See Version History. Before you know it, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Another quick way to access this panel is by simply clicking on the timestamp visible at the top area of your document. You may see a little note, something along the lines of "last edit was," and when you click on this, the same version history panel will spring to life. Now, let's talk about this version history panel you see on the right. It's your gateway to the past versions of your document. It displays different versions grouped by the date and time they were saved. This allows you the ease of navigating through changes made over various days. Each version is just a click away. By clicking on any of these versions, you can preview what your document looked like at that specific point. It's a really handy way of keeping track of the changes you've made over time. But what if you need to actually revert to one of these previous versions? Maybe you realize that the changes you've made are not quite right and you want to go back to an earlier draft. Well, the process is straightforward. In that same version history panel, find the version you wish to restore. Click on it, and you'll see your document revert to how it looked right then. At the top of the document view, there's an option that says Restore this version. Once you click that, your document will transform back to the selected state, becoming the current version you're working with. It's important to keep in mind, though, that everything done after that version will be overwritten. However, don't worry too much, because all those changes can still be found again through the version history. You're not really losing anything permanently, just rolling back time, so to speak. And that's really all there is to it. With these steps, not only can you view the document's journey over time, but confidently restore it to any point that suits your needs. Simple, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made exploring and restoring version histories a breeze for you.